In this lesson, we're going to learn how to navigate the Excel workbook like a pro. So the first thing you're going to do is to highlight our mouse and click on the cell A1. We know we are on cell A1 from the name box over here. So if you want to navigate to the end of the active row, you simply need to press the keyboard shortcuts Control and Excel is going to take us to the last active row. If we need to go back to the first active row of this worksheet, we need to press Control Home again. If you need to navigate to the right, we can use our right arrow key by pressing the right arrow key on your keyboard. We can navigate to the right hand side. Using the down arrow key, we can navigate downwards. Using the left arrow key, we can navigate to the left. Using the up arrow key, we can navigate up. And using the Control Home, we can go back to the home A1. If you need to navigate among these various worksheets, we need to press the keyboard shortcuts Control page down to move to the right hand side. So I have moved from the worksheet actual 2012 to forecast 2012. If you need to navigate to the other worksheet forecast 2015, we need to press the keyboard shortcuts Control plus page down again, Control plus page down again to move to the right hand side. But if you need to navigate to the previous cell, you simply need to press the keyboard shortcuts Control page up, page up, page up, and we return to the initial worksheet. If you need to magnify your Excel worksheet, you can simply hit the plus icon, slider icon, or double click on the percentage. If you double click on the percentage, it's going to give you pre-selected magnification ratios, or you can use a custom one. If you need to scroll, you can either use your scroll wheel to go downwards or upwards, or you can simply select these navigation handles, then pressing the left mouse button, simply hold and drag downwards and you'll be able to navigate. Okay. If you need to navigate your worksheets to the right hand side, you can select this navigation bar at the bottom of the workbook, then simply drag it, click and drag it to the right hand side, or click and drag it to the left hand side. And because now you are familiar with how to navigate a Microsoft Excel workbook or worksheet, let's go on to the next chapter. We are going to learn how to better equip ourselves on how to manage the Excel worksheet or workbook. See you in the next lesson.